Hello lovely viewer, una welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Top Trending TV. We una go see all the trending news around. We dey always bring am here, they discuss with una as it dey hot. So today we come with this arrest of Hushpuppi. No say Hushpuppi, many people don dey wonder say where this guy for the see money. We see they throw around for social media the new cars, new clothes, Gucci's, everything. We say this guy dey buy. Say where this guy for the see money. So before we go on this same discussion, make una first watch this news where we say they carry Hushpuppi and Hoodberry, Ife, and some of the guys where we say they involved for this matter. Carry the come out for first news for
money that was supposed to go to unemployed Americans could be in the hands of scammers. According to the website Crefson Security, the Secret Service apparently warning states all over the country that a Nigerian crime ring is exploiting this pandemic and committing fraud against several states, their unemployment insurance programs. According to that same website, the potential losses are somewhere in the hundreds of millions of dollars. Kristen? Wow, that's a lot of money. I should think
people I don't see them. Say this matter not be the way they look am. FBI they from America trace people come Dubai, not be the way they look am. And the way they take talk for this news, say these guys they don't they scam since hundreds of hundred thousands or millions of dollars. Now they don't they scam since not be this one they take start. And this the way they do so, how they take do this thing? Accounts where we say that they keep money. When they pay people where we say they know they work again for America, or people where we say they never get work, because as Western world now, if you never they work, they not will just leave you stranded, but they must still they support you before you they balanced. Okay, so this money will say that they do all these things. Now all these guys they act so come carry on, come go they buy cars, they buy house, like these things. Nigeria, where una they drag us they go? Where Nigerians they drag us they go? Like Nigeria, na person wey be say e get better business. Maybe since now people know they buy something again, say online something. Maybe person carry something conference for Instagram, say I they sell, or any online something people say black they do, they know they buy again. Even white self now they not get, if you not get website, they know they buy. Because and if person say okay I get business, as a Nigerian go say I get business, and the person the business really legit, because he go call that country say I come from Nigeria. You say I say that business nobody go want patronize, and you say that business they know one, if na contract they know one give am, because they will feel say a scam. Why be say that they drag Nigerian name like this? Like as Timaya and Fino talk, they don't face advise this guy for past, say you not get money, you not get work, now you they spend money. You see the way this guy they throw money up and down for social media. Not be cars, not be clothes, not be perfumes. This guy perfume self, only way they keep perfumes, they be like who get perfume shop. Only way they keep shoes. Boutique no reach there. Not be where they keep clothes. Cars, different cars. Can you imagine? Say this guy buy Rolls Royce of 2020, we say they never ever publish. This Rolls Royce never come out. This guy don't buy him recently, before they catch him where FBI don't take dress and call Dubai. So not be the houses where we say get for Dubai. Like this is how they do all these things. Okay, now all these things where you be say in don't acquire, and everything where we say in don't get right now. According to the news where we say they announce of today now, they say everything where we say Hushpuppi and the gang don't acquire for life. Everything they want seize, everything. They go freeze the account, houses so, shoes so, perfumes so, everything where we say they show off for social media, everything they want seize them. Like this guy, if he come out for this prison where they want sentence him to now, he go broke. You go come back to level 1 again. You go be like who they start again. You don't test life. Come back to poverty. Like this kind of people, I don't understand. Now just they spread the name of Nigeria. You know good. when I dey watch the thing, I dey check comments. People they say, Yahoo not be crime. Say because when Africa never civilized, Oyibo people can't thief. The thief African things come out. Say now Africans don't get sense. Say now Africans want thief their own back. The things that they collect for Africa, they want thief on. They thief your papa thing. They say African thief. They thief your papa. Your papa not get, your papa not the one with the thief. So okay, this guy now, this one with this, so with the FBI from America can't carry him. Hey, whether the FBI being tapo, I don't know what they call them. FBI being tapo, maybe not one for the two, but I know it's an FBI. Can't carry him, guys, for Dubai. They not be America, they're from America. Enter flight. Can't carry him for Dubai. Go back to America. To tell you, say this thing so not be easy something, no. Like before this thing happens, so they don't investigate these guys. Say, you know, no, which business will give you that kind of money? What we say, 2020 Rolls Royce, you don't buy them. Not be new house where you they buy. Not be clothes, not be cars, not be jewelries. Where we say this guy they buy. All of us they see this guy online. We they see him for Instagram. We they see the way they throw money up and down. All right. For even our celebrities, we even say that they are near this guy small self. We say they associate with this guy small. When this thing happen, all of them don't run. Even Davido don't unfollow this guy for Instagram. Davido will say this guy follow go his brother wedding. They throw money anyhow. They spend money. They throw money. They use machine. They spray money. You don't friend them. Because you know why? If you get problem, if you not be a real person, nobody go there by you. Like now, I say this guy get business. What we say they run now. Say they normally get business. What we say everybody knows say this guy get business. Money where they spend legit. You see people go come out now. Since the way that they announce this, they say this guy they don't arrest her. If you don't come out, people for don't stand for us. Say this guy legit, he get business. But since we don't get business, just they throw money anyhow, you not get business. Even when Olamide, Fino, and Timaya take on the indirect talk to this guy, you not change. So you not get work now. You they throw money. This guy not change. You see they throw the money. You not reason now. You not say okay, oh this thing want too much. Even people will say they still they do this Yahoo. They on the low. Nobody gonna say that they do one. They still do on the low. But this guy, you know say. You dey popular one, you dey throw money anyhow too, and you not get work. As normal person, when we say you know what you dey do, you go hide yourself. You not hide yourself, you dey showcase yourself. So FBI don't trace our corner. Right now, they go see everything where we say this guy don't acquire for his life. Even the one we use your own money do. The one we use scam money do, because this is there's not be only this money we use scam, so now be the first one. Say don't fair they do the thing. Say don't fair they do the thing. Not be this one be the first one. So let me come they catch and carry and go America. They even carry them but fly without visa, nothing, no passport, you don't need them. They carry them, go carry them freely go America. Me go. They go sentence her for that side, decide the case for that side. Then they go know how they go do this guy for that side. So my people, make una leave una comments for this talk. So this particular this way Hush Puppy do so. Whether scam na real legit work or na bad work or na say na legit work. I want to see una comments. Alright guys. So today I come tell una say another one don't happen. Say Chioma. Chef Chi Davido, the Chivido, no, yes, Chivido. See, he don't come out for the paradise where we say OBO buy for Banana Island. The mansion where he buy for Banana Island, this girl don't come out. He don't pack out. Don't pack go village. According to the report, to say she don't pack come out go village because why? Say this news where they try and say Davido don't go. Impregnate another woman, don't get fourth baby mama where she dey feel say na she go be the last baby mama. All right, so Davido don't go give another woman belly. So for that singular reason, she don't pack go back to go back to her village. I don't know where her village is, but they say she don't pack. Yes, now so they talk. Say she don't pack from the Davido house. They don't go back to village. All right. So Regina Daniels don't finally give birth to bouncy baby, but she give birth through CS. For this one, I wanna say, I don't know what it be CS. CS now when they go cut woman belly, bring out pikin and be CS. So she go through that stress to give birth to this pikin. I know it's a woman, not easy. So this girl, you know, say don't tell where she dey happy. Say she cannot wait to see this pikin. For those of now who never see, Muna listen to this little clip where they say she come dey talk to her friends that they congratulate them. When they come they congratulate and congratulations. So Muna listen to this little clip and make una abeg wish this girl congratulations, because it's no easy. If billionaire husband, this girl, all of them, they America, they enjoy us with the talk. So make una wish am congratulations and make una listen to this little voice call or voice record. Anyone wanna call them? I beg make una not forget to leave una comment. I put this voice record or voice call, anything una fit call am. Make una tell no say really she don't give birth. So I beg make una not forget to share this video, like, subscribe and share my video. Give this video a thumbs up. Let's go see you now for my next video. Love you guys.
Congratulations! We are so happy for you, Gina.
Congrats!
Thank you.
How is baby doing? Congrats!
You're fine.
Yes, I am.
As in, may God bless you and
Mom
baby.
wins, mom
Mom wins.